hello, how are you? Welcome to Bima's Crafty Corner. I am Bima, better known as Els, and I gotta tell you, I'm obsessed with this little pocket. Originally I was making them out of double sheets of paper, but then I thought about it and I said, you know, you can do this out of a single sheet if you want to. So I decided I wanted to. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and I gotta tell you, these are fantastic little pockets. They are about 6 inches, 5.5, 6 inches tall, and about 3 inches wide. So fantastic for a book page. I'm going to get out some supplies and I'll be right back. So what do we need for this? Well, obviously some book pages, and it depends on how thick or thin your pages are. If you're working with really thick pages, you can get away with one. If you're using thin pages, you might want to, but I'm going to show you with one page just because. Circle rounder, you know, this circle punch is optional, so it's a corner rounder, because you may want to put a finger notch in it. You don't have to. Some liquid adhesive if you're doing a single sheet. If you're using a double sheet, you're going to want to use some glue to do the, glue the pages together. Ink and a dauber, a bone folder. You're going to want a bone folder. Where's my bone? Where's Boney? There he is. He's over here. Okay, so that's all of our supplies. I'll be back in just a moment. I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'm going to tell you the trick that makes it simple for you to determine which side it's on. I'll be right back. So we're going to start by folding our page in half. Now you can clean this edge up if you want to. It's entirely up to you. I don't think it's important for this. It's a book page. It should look like a book page. So we're going to fold these in half, and you'll notice I'm folding one way and one the other way. That's because one's going to be on the left and one's going to be on the right. The fastest way and easiest way to figure this out is whichever side your fold is on, that is the side of the page this is going to be. It's either going to be a right page or a left page. Okay? So we're going to fold this up, and we want to fold this up just over, I don't know, about a third of the page, and then just push all those down. Do the same thing over here because we're doing 2 of them. Okay, so about a third of the page. This one I might want to bring up just a little bit more. There we go. I like it. Okay, so bringing it up. There we go. So now I have 2 pages, one right, one left. So we're going to open this one up. This is our right one. Okay, so we're going to fold this bottom right corner up. And we're leaving about 1/2 inch and about 1/2 inch. Okay? Yep. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. Okay, now, get back over here. So we're going to go ahead and glue this down. Harry's over on the desk next to me. He's like, why can't I be on camera, Mommy? And then we're going to put this corner down. Now this corner we're going to take all the way to the line. So let me put a little ink on here so you can see what I'm doing. So that's the center line right there. So we're going to bring this one to the line. Just a hair shy of it, kind of thing. Use our words to line it up straight. Give it a little burnish, and we're going to glue this one down. Okay. Now on the bottom, on the small side, next to here, right here, this part right here, that's where you're going to put your finger notch. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the difference on the other side. We're just going to move this one over for a moment. We're going to open this one up. Open it this way. Now this one we want to be on the left side of the page, so we're going to fold down the top right and glue that down. Shoop. And the bottom left. And honestly, it doesn't matter how, far you want to pull this tuck up, but I just want to leave I want to leave a little bit more real estate on the front end. And then we'll go ahead and put in our finger notch right there. And that is one left and one right. Okay? Fold this over. Fold that over. Fold these up. Okay? Burnish everything. This up. Burnish everything. Just like that. Now, if you want to ink, do that now. So ink this little pocket here and down the edge. Ink this little pocket right here, across the bottom, up the long side, across the top, down the other side, and this little diagonal here. So, go ink, and when you come back, we'll glue this down. I'll be right back. So now that I have these both inked, we're going to open them up again. We're going to put glue on this top pocket on the short end, fold it over. Glue on the outside of it, and then glue on the other side of the pocket, fold it up. That's it. So opening the page, you're going to put glue right here on the short side of this pocket. Fold it back over, and then on this pocket here, the one that folds up, you're going to put glue on both outside edges, out there and out here. And then you're going to bring that up. Okay, so now I have one that goes left and one that goes right. Press everything down. If you don't like this like torn look on the edge, then just trim it off with a pair of scissors or put it in your trimmer. That works too. That's it. That's my quick project. Seriously. Like, we just made 2 of these in like 5 minutes. Okay? And these are single, so they're a little bit flimsier. This is a double, so it's a little bit stiffer, a little has more body to it. But that's it. Those are my quick little pockets, and I'm telling you, I'm totally obsessed with this little pocket right now. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. If you're new here and I have not yet offended you, subscribe, hang out. It'll happen eventually. What else? If you would like to know what's going on in my digital world, maybe you want to know what my schedule is, maybe you want to know when you can catch me live, if I have any sales, things like that, free classes coming up. Maybe you would like some free digitals. Maybe you want to support the channel. Hey, maybe you'd like to become part of the tribe and join my Facebook group. All of the links for all of that stuff are in the description box below. Just click on the more and take a look. Click on any link you need and go check it out. Until the next time, stay well, my friends. Bye.